What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Toodle, and for today I'm going to be showing you how I installed my Zero Design Works gauge relocation kit. Not too difficult. I was able to do it here where I store my bike. Some basic tools I have. Yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Oh, and forewarning here, did the best of my knowledge on interpreting the instructions. Not a professional. Should do your own research there and look up how you should install it perfectly. Make sure you always torque everything down to spec. Just some short introductions on what I've done to my bike. I have the Moon SMC Moonmaker LED Fly Eye. It's not a direct fit. Did have to kind of jerry rig it on there with some construction adhesive, but you know, gets the job done. It holds on there well. I don't really do any night riding, so just want to make sure I get seen by the day. I also have here the new Rage Cycle 360 turn signals. Have them on there. It's not a direct fitment from what I've seen. I kind of just only have them working as running lights at the moment. I'm going to try and see in the future what I can do. Try and get them to work for my turn signals as well. And then other than that, I just changed out stock exhaust and I switched it out for this Shorty GP slip on there. And all right, let's get started. So as you can see, the instructions that I receive of my kit do not come in English. Pretty much got an idea of what I need to do. So first off, I'm gonna remove these two bolts here for the speedometer. These two bolts are 5 millimeters. Always. Alrighty, so that slips it off. So you need to remove this grommet here, undo this clip, and there we have our speedometer free. Set this over here, make sure I don't step on it. Come over here, you remove this down through here. Now we're gonna need to remove the back shroud here on the headlight in order to pass or to remove this cabling from the plastic clip that I believe it has secured in there according to the instructions. So then we can move it and relocate it down here. We're also going to be putting on these, clamp down the handlebars without the unnecessary section right there. Now this also comes through with the kit. These bolts are 6 millimeter. Alright, I set those aside. Get on the new ones. Bolt them on. So I believe when I was checking through before, trying to get Google Translate to work on my phone, I believe it was saying find the space that has a small gap. And that goes towards the back end of the handlebars. Same difference. Alright, now we go with the OEM bolts, put them back on. This is always, you're going to want to use thread locker. And torque them down to spec. stuff inside. Apologize about any rain noise that you're going to be hearing through the video. It did start to rain here. Alright, and then from what I can see, best I can work out, saying we need to bolt them down to about 25 Newton meters of torque. Alright, now that that's bolted down, we'll move the other one. Alright, now that those are installed and torqued, now let's remove this plastic covering here. Get this harness up. So again, I apologize about any low lighting. It seems to be about a 5mm. Yep. We got another one over here. This guy right here. Let's see if I could slide this one out from under there. This is possible. This one as well. I think be the one we want. Slide that guy out. Slide these back in. Again, sorry. No way of working with a light on in here. So I apologize about any low light. I'm trying to wait for the ring to pass here so I can open up the door again. But in the meantime, I was able to work out here. This little zip tie guy right here. I was able to kind of squeeze out there so it would kind of let go. So I could get a little bit more play here. And the speedometer wire there that we kind of need to relocate. Alrighty, rain's kind of let up. So should be good to move on from now. So as I said, loosened this up, got the wire out a little longer there. Next, we are now ready to install the speedo relocation bracket. You can see here, seems to be like a pretty simple setup. Supposed to bolt it on just about there. Let's see, I got this this little bit of foam padding here. I'm gonna try and put underneath just to try and protect the paint just a tad bit. See if we don't completely scar it up. Alright, so what I can work out from here, just gonna need to take off this bolt right here. It's gonna be shared in there and holding down this bracket, and this bolt, or excuse me, this bracket, it's gonna be holding out around here. So we're gonna try and keep this wire out of the way, not damage it. Alright, let's get started. Alright. Now we torque those down. See about putting the speedometer back on here. Let's see if we should connect the cable first. that everything's working still. I'm gonna secure this wire. Zip tie right there. Just putting some zip ties here, so just in case. Just kind of hold everything in a better place. Make sure nothing gets pinched. Alright, now the shock goes back on. Alrighty, and there you guys go. Complete installation of the Zero Design Works speedometer relocation kit here for the Rebel 300 and 500. Gotta say, I'm very happy with it. Love the look. Wires don't seem to pinch. Let's see if I just ride it around for a bit now.